What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Rad. Today we're going to be making ice orbs.
Yep. So essentially we're going to be taking these green balloons, which are not water balloons, they're regular latex balloons, and then we will be filling them with water and putting them in a freezer overnight, and then we'll do the rest of the experiment in the morning. So for this experiment, you're going to need some salt. You're going to need balloons and some kind of faucet that you can fill the balloons with. Oh, and food coloring. So let's take these and let's go fill them up with some water.
Let's do it.
Simple peasy. Simple peasy. It's not what I meant to say. So to put it in your freezer, you can set it in a bowl and then it will maintain a pretty decent round shape. Our freezer doesn't have enough room for that many bowls, nor do we have that many bowls, so we're actually just going to use like a IKEA storage container. And we're also going to fill 2 of them with food coloring before putting them in the freezer.
Before?
So we'll see how that looks too. It may not be visible, but who knows? Maybe it will be. So then after that, we will turn them into ice orbs. So hang tight, and we'll see you in just a moment.
Voila!
So overnight we had these. They're very cold. They sat in the freezer all night. That was a weird sound. They have a little bit of air bubbles in them. Holy smokes. That's really cold. Alright, so you can get your scissors, and very carefully we're going to cut off the ends here, if you can.
I'll just cut right here.
Oh, that didn't do what I thought it would do.
Here.
Hey, you cut a hole in your... Oh, wow, that was a... Oh, no! No! Yours isn't solid yet!
Wait, there's only one. Oh, there's 2 holes.
Look at this. Hold on. Look at how cool that looks. Do you see it?
Oh, it's dripping.
Take it to the sink. Take it to the sink. Or here.
Open it.
Throw it outside. Oh! Woo! Wow, that was an adventure. Did we get everything soaked?
Yeah.
This was... I mean, that was smart. It worked, I guess. Is that a bubble?
Barely.
Dude, yours, that one did so cool. Alright, our ice orbs are not going to be...
Whoa, it looks like one of those candies thingies.
Yeah, so these are the ones that we added the food coloring to. Just to see how they would look.
Ah, my finger stuck to it.
So what we're going to do, after we're done making these into really cool looking ice orb gem sort of things, we're going to take these outside and drop them off the ladder and watch them shatter all over the place.
That's right.
So to do this reaction, you're going to take some salt and very, very gently stick it on the top. Where's my salt? There it is. Okay, just by adding this salt on the top, it starts to melt the ice. Then we're going to actually take some blue food coloring, just a little bit here, and we're going to drop it onto our salt.
Hey, mine.
I have cracks in mine because it's seeping in there. Isn't that cool? Mine was apparently had a little bit of cracks in it. Now, you want to see something really cool, Rhys?
Probably.
Rhys is over here sparking his up a little bit.
Like a diamond.
I have this charger here, and it's also a flashlight. Check this out. You ready?
It's a mix.
You see this? Come over here.
Mine is insane.
Oh, dude, I love how yours is turning out.
Look at this bad boy.
Here.
Look at that baby.
I'm gonna bring Rhys's up here. Look at that.
Now, if you've ever used a paper towel before, you know that they soak up liquids. So that's...
Thank you for our tutorial on what paper towels do. All right, who wants to go outside and drop these off a ladder? We have 3 more over here. Here, come with me if you want to leave. We have 3 over here that, well, we don't want to open them just yet. Let's do it outside. We also have some that are not frozen. We're going to drop those off to you. We are outside where it is nice and bright.
We have all these water balloons.
Here's what we have left. And we're going to drop them off the ladder.
Let's do it.
So, you know, be careful because they might be sharp because it is ice, which is going to shatter. And Rhys is ready. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my
That was
gosh.
insane.
Did you hear the sound that made?
Look, it's snow.
All right, do that again.
It looks like a snow cone.
Here's the one that we had inside that was not all the way frozen. You can see it has a big hollow in the center of it. And now we have the same situation again. All right, should we take it up top?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Wow. That sounds like breaking light bulbs.
It kind of does.
It really does. It's crazy. All right.
I'm gonna like.
Is this the frozen last? We have 2 more frozen ones, and then we have 2 more that are just water, regular water. All right, you ready, Rhys?
That was cool.
If I got that, guys, that's gonna be amazing. We are doing the water balloons. 3, 2, 1, go. Don't throw it. I got wet.
Look at the pattern it made. It's
That's so cool. Here, I'm gonna go up here to the ladder. Check it out. Look at our damage. Oops. Look at the damage. That's pretty cool.
Well, that was a super fun experiment. I hope you guys enjoy it.
I'm just noticing our fingers.
Yeah. It's like alien blood.
Yeah, so kind of 2 things in one there. We are doing some gravity testing with our ice
Ish.
to see, you know, what happens if you drop ice off of a, that's probably about an 8-foot ladder.
Yeah.
And the other thing is if you put salt on ice, it makes it melt faster
Yeah.
because salt
You know what?
does that.
If this video gets 100 likes, we will freeze an entire cube of ice and pour out a whole thing of salt on it.
A cube of ice?
Yeah, like this
Oh,
big.
we could do that with one of those.
But only if we get 100 likes.
Okay.
So
What are we going to do with that block of ice?
we're gonna pour salt on it. We're gonna like mix the salt with food coloring.
Okay.
And then like we're gonna be we're gonna see where the ice is.
Okay.
It's gonna be sick.
We'll take it up a level. Anyways.
So if you did enjoy, smash like on this video. Fun fact with the like button, if it's white and you like touch it with your mouse, it'll magically turn blue, you know?
Does it really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
You guys should try it.
What?
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy these fun random experiments that we're trying. Sometimes they're going to go as expected, and sometimes they're not. We were sure that those balloons were frozen all the way through.
Yeah.
You can't make that up. It was pretty funny.
Yep.
Anyway.
Well, peace out.
Stay rad.